Have you ever felt that your English isn't good enough to reach your dreams? Juan felt the same. He was sitting in the most important interview of his life in a busy city far away from his hometown. His heart was racing. His palms were sweaty. He knew the answers to every question they were asking. He had studied hard for months and prepared for this moment again and again. But when it was time to speak, his tongue felt like lead. The words were in his mind, but they refused to come out the way he wanted. Today, I want to share the story of a man who people once called too quiet to succeed, and the three-word secret that changed his life forever. Juan grew up in a small village where opportunities were limited, and English was rarely spoken. In his community, English was seen as a luxury, not a daily language. People focused on farming, local businesses, and simple living. Juan, however, had big dreams. He wanted to work in a global company, travel the world, and build a better future for his family. So he started learning English. Every night after work, Juan would sit with his notebook and practice new words. He watched videos, listened to conversations, and repeated sentences out loud in his small room. Slowly, his vocabulary grew. He learned thousands of words and many grammar rules. But there was still one big problem. Whenever he had to speak with someone in English, especially during interviews or meetings, his confidence disappeared. His mind became blank. His voice became weak. The fear of making mistakes held him back. People often told him, "Juan, you have the skills. You understand everything. But you don't have the voice." Those words hurt him deeply. Over time, he began to believe them. He started thinking that maybe he was not meant for bigger opportunities. Maybe his English would always be not good enough. Have you ever felt that way? Like you're standing in front of a door to your dreams, but there's a wall of words you can't climb over? One evening, feeling frustrated and defeated, Juan met an old teacher who had once encouraged him to study. Juan sighed and said, "I think I should give up. My English is broken." The teacher smiled gently. He didn't give Juan a dictionary. He didn't hand him a grammar book. Instead, he took out a small piece of paper and wrote 3 simple words on it. He handed it to Juan and said, "Juan, don't study English. Live it." At first, Juan didn't fully understand what that meant. But that night, something changed in his thinking. He realized he had been trying too hard to sound perfect. Every sentence felt like a test. Every conversation felt like an exam. So he made a new decision. Instead of chasing perfection, he would focus on connection. Instead of worrying about mistakes, he would focus on expressing his ideas honestly. During his next interview, something unexpected happened. Juan made a grammar mistake. He used the wrong tense in the middle of an answer. In the past, that mistake would have made him panic and lose his confidence. But this time, he simply smiled. He laughed lightly and said, "Excuse me, I am still perfecting my English, but my passion for this job is already perfect." The interviewer stopped writing and looked up. In that moment, Juan had used the real secret: authenticity over perfection. Juan didn't get the job because his English was flawless. He got the job because he showed courage, honesty, and confidence even when he wasn't perfect. Remember this: your English is a bridge, not a barrier. Every mistake you make is just another step across that bridge toward your dreams. If Juan could do it, so can you. And if his story inspired you, say it out loud today: I will not give up.